Manual of Mediation and Arbitration in Intellectual Property, Model for Developing Countries. Alice Kelly. To my parents, for dedicating themselves to my intellectual progress and for being an example of true academics in their own lives.
Ceux qui peuvent vous faire croire à des absurdités peuvent vous faire commettre des atrocités. Astérisque.
Aqueles que podem fazer vocês acreditarem em absurdos, farão que vocês cometam atrocidades.
Anyone who can make you believe absurdities, can make you commit atrocities. Voltaire. Presentation. This manual is based on the theme of Alice Kelly's master's dissertation graduate program in Public Policies, Strategies and Development at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro. The dissertation is a requirement for obtaining a master's degree in Public Policies, Strategies and Development. It was supervised by Professor Claudia Inés Chamas, from Fiocruz. The examining board included Professor Ana Celia Castro, who teaches at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, Professor André Fontes, from Unirio, and Professor Nilton Cesar Flores, from the Universidade Estácio de Sá. Developing countries had to adapt to protection policies from developed countries and the effects of those protection policies. This added a higher degree of difficulty on how to navigate these policies and promote the improvement innovation. Developing countries have been striving to improve their innovation capacity. Intellectual property policies are key to allowing innovation to flourish. The evolution of dispute resolution systems is a result of the needs for modernization of intellectual property rights. In several countries, such as the United States, Canada, and European countries, specialized dispute resolution bodies have been created for intellectual property. Introduction. In international trade, as well as in the laws of each country, intellectual property has been a controversial topic that generates many debates, involving access to essential goods such as medicines, medical tests, and biological material. The institutions involved in the debate are the World Health Organization, WHO, the World Trade Organization, WTO, and the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. New regulations on intellectual property from these organizations have increased the number of legal conflicts in countries regarding intellectual property issues. The content of these regulations varies from civil actions of competition law to criminal actions. These discussions are key to the foreign policy agendas of countries whose economies stand out on the international stage. Companies from these countries fight for their rights and the judgments before the courts of intellectual property organizations.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?